Hello students, in this video we will discuss about an important topic or theorem which is known as Rolle's theorem. What is the Rolle's theorem? Rolle's theorem is nothing but if such that a to b to r is a continuous function in closed interval ab and differentiable in open interval ab where a and b are real numbers, then a point C exists in open interval AB if f dash of C equal to 0. Rolle's theorem, if f such that a to b to r is a continuous function in open interval in closed interval AB and differentiable in open interval AB such that f of a equal to f of b, where a and b are real numbers, then a point C exists in open interval AB if f dash C equal to 0. Now, if y equal to f of x is a function and if we draw the graph of this, suppose this function is like this, this is the a and this is the b, this is the a and this is the b, and this is the critical point C which is lie between a and b but not including ab. This is known as f of C, this is the f of a and this is the f of b, x dash, y dash, and this is the origin. Or we can draw this graph like this. Suppose this is the a and this is the b. Now here this is the slope of tangents, and also this is the slope of tangents. If slope of tangents is 0, that means derivative of y equal to f of x. This is known as Rolle's theorem. There is no need to prove of this concept. Now we will take one example related to Rolle's theorem. Verify Rolle's theorem if f of x equal to x square plus 2, where a equal to minus 2 and b equal to 2. For solution of this, we should proceed this question I like this statement, since you can see here f such that a to b to r is a continuous function in AB. Since f of x equal to x square plus 2 is a continuous, is a polynomial, and every polynomial is continuous function, is continuous in closed interval AB, that means -2 to 2. It is differentiable in open interval means -2 to 2. Now you should be write carefully. For the closed interval you should be apply the big bracket, and for the open interval should be apply the small bracket. Then this will be proof that f of a equal to f of b, that is f of a means f of -2 equal to, putting the value of x means on the place of x -2, so this will be -2 whole square plus 2 equal to, this will be 6, and f of 2 equal to square of 2 plus 2 equal to also 6. Then f of -2 equal to f of 2. Thus our concept is, then a point C exists in AB if f dash C equal to 0. First we should find the f dash of x, that means f dash of x equal to, this will be 2x. Therefore f dash of C equal to 2C equal to 0. Therefore C equal to 0, which is lie between open interval -2 to 2. That means whatever you getting the value of C, which is the critical point, this should be lie between given both intervals -2 to 2. Since you can see here C equal to 0, which is lie between -2 to 2, therefore Rolle's theorem verified. Now in the next video we will discuss about another type of theorem which is known as mean value theorem.